Hey, welcome back. Today I'm going to give you a challenge that will change your Wing Chun forever. This is not just training. This is a test of your spirit, your endurance, your focus, and your fighting mindset. Most Wing Chun students throw a few chain punches here and there, but very few have ever pushed themselves to 1,000 chain punches in one session. Why 1,000? Because at around 200 punches, your shoulders burn. At 400, your forearms tighten. At 600, your mind wants to quit. At 800, your structure gets tested. And at 1,000, you will discover a new level of resilience and explosive speed you didn't even know you had. So today, I'm challenging you. Let's push past your limit. Let's unlock your timing, your power, and your internal fire. Let's begin. In the Wusa position, feast position, ready go. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20. 2, 4, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Breathe in and breathe out. 200. Go. 20, 30, 40, 60, 80, 300, breathe in and breathe out. 30, 40, 50, 60, 400, 10. Try not to move shoulder. 30, 40, 70, 90, 10 more. 500, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 80, 600. Good. Keep it up. 10, 20, 30. Good. 40, 50, 60, 80, 90, 700. 10. Good, good, good. 20. 30. Breathe in and breathe out. Your nose. 40. 50. 60. 70. 80. 90. 700. 10. 20. Good job. 30. 40. Breathe in and breathe out. 50. 70. 80. 90. 800. Go, 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 go. 10. 20. 30. 40. 50. 60. 70. 80. 90. 900. Go, 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 go. 10. Faster. 20. Go wait. 30. 40. 50. 60. Go wait. 70. 80. 90. Go, 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 go. Oh my God. 1,000. Stay where you are. 摊手，圈手 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold it for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And breathe into your nose. Slowly lower your hands. Slowly. Be your resilient. And breathe out. Well done. You have just completed one of the most intense Wing Chun endurance challenges. If you finish it, your speed will increase, your timing will sharpen, your resilience will strengthen. And if you struggle, good. That means your body is learning. If you enjoy this challenge, join my Wing Chun Punch assessment. Click the link in the comment below. I will personally help you improve your punching, structure, speed, and power. This is Austin Go. Elite mindset, elite training, elite Wing Chun. See you in the next lesson.